In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color match in Affinity Photo. Color matching is all about making your image's tones and overall color feel consistent and natural, whether you're aligning it with a reference look or simply correcting mixed lighting. We'll keep this simple, precise, and non-destructive so you can fine-tune without damaging your original. Start by opening Affinity Photo and loading the image you want to adjust. At the top, click on Pixel to make sure you're in the right workspace for direct pixel-based editing. This ensures the tools we need behave as expected and that the adjustments apply exactly where you intend. Next, move to the New Adjustment Layer options and hover to reveal the list of corrections available. Adjustment layers are essential because they sit above your image and can be edited or removed at any time, giving you full flexibility as you refine the look. Choose Curves. Curves is a powerful, precise tool for aligning tonality and color. In the Curves panel, set the channel to RGB. Working in RGB adjusts the composite of red, green, and blue together, which is ideal for global matching without introducing unwanted color casts. You'll see a diagonal line representing the relationship between input and output tones. Place gentle points along this line and drag to guide the image toward your target look. Pulling a point upward brightens those tones, pulling it downward darkens them. Use a point in the shadows to control depth, a point in the midtones to shape overall balance, and a point in the highlights to protect detail. Small incremental moves are key. Watch skin tones, neutral grays, and known whites as anchors for realism. Aim for smooth transitions. Abrupt bends can create banding or crush detail. If the image starts to look flat, a subtle S-curve can restore contrast while still matching the overall feel. Take a moment to compare before and after, by temporarily hiding and revealing the curve's adjustment, then settle on the curve that best aligns your image with the desired mood. When it looks consistent and natural, you've successfully color matched using curves in Affinity Photo.